Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable your Twitch account directly from the Android app. Whether you're taking a break or planning to close it for good, this video will walk you through the exact process in a simple and clear way. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. Next, tap on Account to view account management options. Scroll down and select Disable Account from the list. Tap Disable Account again when prompted. Now, enter your Twitch password in the field provided. Finally, tap on the Next button at the top right corner to confirm the action. And that's it. Your Twitch account is now disabled. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this.